Hello everyone. Today we will briefly take a look at the macOS Sequoia 15.3 update, what's new, and how to install it. I will install the latest update on my MacBook Pro M1, guide you through the process step by step, and inform you if I encounter any issues. Before updating or upgrading, back up your Mac in advance or clone your internal drive to an external one to avoid any potential data loss. On January 27, 2025, Apple released macOS Sequoia version 15.3. Unlike the previous version, this update doesn't include many new features. A significant addition to this update is the introduction of Genmoji on macOS Sequoia 15.3, allowing users to generate personalized emojis by entering text prompts. To use Genmoji, you need to enable Apple Intelligence in System Settings. I have already created a tutorial on how to activate Apple Intelligence on macOS Sequoia. You can find the link by clicking more in the description box below this video. Currently, Apple Intelligence supports the English language. However, additional features and languages will be available in April, with more languages and platforms coming over the course of the year. Languages supported in 2025 include Chinese, English, India, Singapore, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish, and Vietnamese. macOS 15.3 update improves the performance of macOS Sequoia and system stability by addressing bugs from the previous beta versions. For more information on this update's security content, please access the link in this video's description box. To update your macOS, click System Settings in the dock, then General, Software Update, and more info. macOS Sequoia 15.3 is approximately 1.97 GB on my MacBook Pro M1. I'll install it over the 15.3 beta version. Your current macOS version might be 15.1 or 15.2. Once you are sure you want to update, click Update Now. Next, agree to the terms. Enter your admin password and click OK to install. The installation has started, but it will take some time. I'll pause recording the video and resume when the installation is complete. I will also let you know if I encounter any problems during the installation.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more. Thank you.
The installation of macOS Sequoia version 15.3 is now complete. It took approximately 20 minutes on the MacBook Pro M1. The Apple logo and a progress bar appeared 4 times throughout the installation, including 2 black screens that lasted approximately 5 and 25 seconds. I didn't encounter any issues during the installation process, and I can now run macOS Sequoia 15.3 on my M1 MacBook Pro. However, it's possible to face issues while using this update. If you haven't installed macOS Sequoia on your compatible Mac yet, I recommend performing a clean installation to avoid annoying issues in the future. Watch this video to learn how to do a clean installation. You can access the link in the description box by clicking on more below this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, Please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.